Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to use tags and custom fields to segment your clients. First, add a tag to a contact. Go to Contacts and click on a client's name. Find the tags field on their profile. Click inside it and type a tag like VIP client. Press enter to save it. Now, create a custom field. Click your profile picture and go to Settings. Find Fields and click Contact Fields. Click Add Custom Field. Name it like Product Interest. Choose drop-down as the type. In the options box, type choices like software, training. Click Save. Go back to a contact's profile and scroll down. You'll see your new product interest field. Click the drop-down and select an option like software. To segment using these, go to the main contacts page. Click the filter button. Click Add Filter. To filter by a tag, choose Tag. Select Is and type your tag name like VIP client. Click Apply. To filter by your custom field, add another filter. Choose your new field name, select Is and choose an option like software. Click Apply. Now you have a filtered list. Save this segment by clicking Save Segment. Name it like VIP Software Clients and click Save. And that's it, you've created powerful client segments. If this helped you organize your clients, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time.